Alright. Now listen up, fellas. I'm sure you're all wondering why I gathered every single last one of you here today. Alright? Now lately we've been getting a lot of slack from the IRA about peddling guns. Okay? And I'm not blaming any one person in particular. We need to make a change. Okay? This gun stuff, this is going to get us killed. And Lord knows we can't handle any more deaths. Now I know what you're thinking. We already got the logo jacks. We already got the Grim Reaper holding the gun and it's really clever. But the fact of the matter is, logos can be changed. Look at Facebook. Look at Lucky Strikes. Look at Tostitos. And we all know how much you love Tostitos, Bobby. The fact of the matter is, logo change ain't gonna hurt us. And I know how to go legit. Okay? I know how to make us proud again. How to make our fathers proud of what we do. So, I'm bringing something big to the table. Something joyous. I'm talking Sons of Anarchy birthday parties. That's right. Bona fide birthday parties. Balloons, clowns, balloon animals, even streamers, boys. And I'll tell you what. If there's one group of guys that knows how to throw one hell of a birthday party, it's the Sons of Anarchy. Yeah. Now listen, there's some significant changes that we need to do. That's all. Significant. First off, we need to kill the Irish. I mean, let's be real. They don't want us out of guns. They definitely don't want us doing birthday parties. Why? Well, because they're buzzkills. So let's take them out. Second, we need to talk to Nero. Instead of his girls being escorts, clowns. That's right, dressing up as clowns. Now, I know it sounds crazy, guys. I know it sounds wild. And guess what? It's gonna be wild. A wild and crazy birthday party extravaganza. We're gonna get out there and we're gonna throw one hell of a Sons of Anarchy birthday party. Now, who's with me? If you're with me, start pounding on the table like a Neanderthal. Yeah? Alright. With your hands in the air like you just don't care. No? Okay. Well, let's